Thanks so much to those of you who are new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. And to those of you who are subscribed, it's nice to have you back. So today I got my Shrek Collab order that I bought about a week ago. And I bought everything except for the body spray because it was quite expensive. And I wanted to see how I liked one of the products that is in this box is the same scent as the body spray. So I just wanted to see how that product smelled, and if I liked it a lot, I would buy the body spray. So, okay, so this is Donkey. Yeah, and this is white and blue. It's got ylang-ylang and clove. It's not the best smell, so it's awfully cute. And that's the back of them. So that is Donkey. And next is the Shrek Bath Bomb. This has cocoa and peppermint oil, but it also has pine oil and rossul mud, seaweed, and oak moss. So it's kind of an odd smell. To me, it's earthy and mossy, and I can barely smell the peppermint and cocoa. That's how it looks all the way around. So that is the Shrek Bath Bomb. Then we have the Get Out of My Swamp shower slime. And just like the Shrek Swamp Bath Bomb, this also has pine, vetiver, cocoa, and peppermint. And now I'm going to open it. Oh, it is a shower slime. And so that is the shower slime. And I have a lot of videos here on my channel of different Lush shower slimes and how you use them, etc. So that's Get Out of My Swamp. Next is Gingy. Gingy Bubble Bar. And he is so cute, right? So cute. And that's how it looks all the way around. I typically like Lush gingerbread scents. There's been about 3 different products with gingerbread scent that I've used from Lush in the past, and I've loved every single one of them. This one smells yummy. It doesn't quite smell like the gingerbread scents that I've smelled on Lush products in the past. However, it's kind of yummy. It seems like there's some orange in here, and I do smell ginger. So that's Gingy Bubble Bar. And then last but not least is the Fiona Shower Gel. Now, the Fiona Shower Gel has the same ingredients as the body spray from this collab. And I didn't buy the body spray, like I said, because it was expensive, and I wanted to know, you know, if it smelled if this smelled good. I was going to buy the body spray since they smell similar. So this one has cucumber juice, mango, violet leaf, Persian lime, and bushu oil. Mango, violet, lime, and bushu oil. And it's a beautiful green color. You can see that color looks really, really green. And okay. This smells light and fruity and fresh. The violet isn't real strong like it is in the Mother's Day Violet Commingle. I smell the lime, and it's fruity in a mango bushu way, kind of a subtly tropical way. It's not too sweet. I would say it's more fresh smelling than sweet, like more, or at least that's what my nose smells. Your mileage might vary, but it smells somewhat grassy, bright grassy note with some yummy fruit. I like this scent. If the body spray smells like this, kind of mango-y, and then I believe that I would like it. Yeah, see what else is in there. Cucumber juice. I think the cucumber juice is what's giving it that sort of fresh smell. I don't think there's cucumber juice in the body spray, but everything else is there. I could be wrong though. So lime, bushu, violet, mango, and fresh cucumber juice. Wow. So let's see. Of all of these, let me re-smell them. I would say this one has the least amount of scent. This has wheatgrass and pine, vetiver and peppermint and cocoa. I like when Lush puts cocoa in different products. I usually like them a lot. It's just very faint to me. I wish it was stronger. I wish the cocoa and stuff were stronger. So as far as, I'm going to go use this at the sink just so I can see. And then the bath bomb. The bath bomb has more of a sort of a somewhat mossy green earthy scent. It's subtly sweet, and it's got some kind of freshness in there. So it's nice. It's also pretty low on scent, kind of like this one. I'm not sure I like this a lot. I don't love the scent of this, and I don't love the scent of this, but I do love the scent of this. And next is Donkey. It makes really pretty blue and white bath art. And this one doesn't, oh, this one has some sparkle on it, so there should be some white shimmer in the water in the bath when you use it. This one does not have any sparkle, nor do these have any sparkle. And then Gingy, I don't think it has any sparkle, no. I like it. It doesn't smell exactly like Lush gingerbread stuff I've had in the past, but it smells good. Okay. It's not very sweet, it is a little sweet. The scent is stronger than these. So in order of the things that I like anyway, as far as smelling them only, I would say that this and this would be at the bottom, maybe a 2.5 or 3 out of 5. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 2.5 or 3 out of 5. This almost smells like men's cologne a little bit. I don't know why. And Then this is next. I would say this is a 3 out of 5. I would say this is a 3.5 out of 5. And this would be definitely 4 or 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, love the scent of this one. And so none of these have like a familiar scent of other products. It's hard to tell. So yeah, I'm just not sure about this one. It's like gingerbread and orange to me, just to me. You may find that it smells totally like gingerbread, okay? So yeah, I would buy a bigger bottle of the Fiona shower gel. And if the body spray smells like this, which I believe it does, I think it would be good to buy it if you have the money to buy that. I think it was like $55. And yeah, I'm not really sure about this one either. So I think that they're cute. I like the idea of the Shrek collab. I've liked all the collabs that Lush has done. I think they're fun. I think they're unique. They've never done anything like this before in the last 20 years as far as collabs. Never done that. I think they're cute. I think they picked the right things to make. Hope that makes sense, and I hope that helps in some way. If you can, if you're near a store, I'm not near a store, so I buy all my stuff online, but if you are near a store, I would suggest you go in and smell these first before you buy them. And if, you know, that way you know for sure if you're gonna like it or not. And so yeah, you know, some of these things have cocoa, but I can't really smell it. So there's that. And but I would say this particular collab is comparing it to the other collabs that Lush has done. I would say this is a 3 out of 5. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the description box. And so thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.